The work area that the construction crew mainly work in is referred to as the mill, which is an industry term. So from here on out, we will refer to this work area as the mill. Clean floors in the mill space is a must for the sake of safety and a good working environment. You'll have your stationary equipment set up, such as the table saws, which is a must-have tool in any mill space. Your cleaning implements such as your push brooms and also your trash cans can be found throughout the mill space to maintain that good, clean working environment. Having a large enough mill with clear floor space is a plus for some specialized construction. In this example, that is of great value to the carpenter here working on a curved flat, which will in turn become a curved wall in whatever set he's working on. Another stationary tool you'll find set up in any mill space in the shop is the chop saw. The surface planer is another integral stationary tool that you will find in just about any mill space. This is a tool you'll need in the shop if you're going to mill and square up rough lumber. Another great function of this piece of equipment is to reduce the thickness of boards for set construction. Among the tools you'll find already set up are jointers and lathes. They play a very important role throughout building the sets for production. Another set of stationary tools you'll find in a well-equipped mill is the sanding station, which is also vital in helping smoothing boards to get the finished boards you need. For a functioning mill on just about any production you're on, they will have a well-kept metal shop with various sizes and grades of steel and other metals neatly stacked and organized. A well-equipped metal shop area within the mill will be equipped with movable stock stands to transport heavy pieces of steel and pieces of metal sets fabricated around the shop. Here we see stationary tools like these miter band saws fitted with support stock stands. These saws can miter at 45 degrees left or right. Some models can miter up to 60 degrees left and right. These shown here are dry cutting, but they can be bought with optional air systems. Also, because there will undoubtedly be a lot of welding within the metal shop sections of the mill, you will more than likely see numerous welding shields arranged or being stored close by. Modern day mill spaces are now equipped with elaborate CNC machines such as the one seen here in action. CNC machines make previously very difficult jobs a lot more manageable in today's fast-paced movie industry by entering digitized data into computers and having the machine cut materials that were previously very difficult to cut. Another upside of these advances in technology is that they allow the construction department to cut and make abnormal complex shapes. This is an extreme close-up of the blade action. The advancement of technology within the construction department has also led to more specialized jobs in construction department that never existed in years past. For example, CNC machines found in some of the bigger construction shops will have dedicated employees to maintain the equipment, to prepare data for files to be cut, etc., etc. A variety of CNC machines offer the advantages of multiple axes that can adjust to difficult angles and manage hard-to-cut materials. The machine can be a milling machine, a lathe, a router, welding, grinding, laser, water jet, or sheet metal stamping machine. Here we see a machine in action routing metal in a complex shape inside a full enclosure. The carved piece seen in this photograph is an example of what can be achieved with the new computerized machinery now available to the construction department. They have the ability to build complex, organic, fascinating shapes in-house. They can create anything from flowing roads to mountain slopes, or even the complex sculptures inspired from history books.